Các bạn ơi, you all know không, right? So today we're going to learn another way to say no, not, don't, can't, right? So first, let's listen to two exchanges between a mom and her son. So the mom and her son are waiting for the dad to come home so they can have dinner. The boy is upset, so the mom is explaining the dad has to work overtime, has to take care of the family, etc. Right? Okay, listen.
Nên con đừng có buồn. Mẹ biết con nhớ ba.
Nhớ gì? Con đâu có nhớ ba. Con muốn ăn cơm.
So after explaining why dad is working overtime, the mom says, nên con đừng có buồn. So don't be sad. Mẹ biết con nhớ ba. I know you miss him, right? And then the boy says, nhớ gì? Miss what? Con đâu có nhớ ba. I don't miss him. Con muốn ăn cơm. I just want to have dinner. Okay, so here you see, instead of saying con không nhớ ba, he says con đâu có nhớ ba. Let's see another exchanges from a landlord and the tenant. The tenant just moved to the south, to Saigon recently, and so she's complaining that it's really hot here.
Mùa mưa mà cũng nóng quá ha chú.
Mùa này đâu phải mùa mưa con.
So Lan, the tenant, says, mùa mưa mà cũng nóng quá ha, chú. It's rainy season, but still so hot, right? Then the landlord says, mùa này đâu phải mùa mưa, con. So here we see đâu phải instead of không phải, right? So is not. This season is not rainy season. So is not. So đâu phải. So once again, we can say đâu có instead of không, and we can say đâu phải instead of không phải. So, one important question, are không phải and đâu phải interchangeable in every situations? The answer is no. And we're gonna see 3 more conversations. Let's see if you can figure out the pattern. The first one is also between a mom and a son. The mom asked the son to help her, teach her how to upload pictures on Facebook, and he feels like without him, she can't do anything. And so she asked,
mấy giờ ăn cơm vậy, mẹ?
Khi nào con nấu xong?
Gì? Con đâu có nấu được.
So Trung, the son, asked, mấy giờ ăn cơm vậy, mẹ? When's dinner, right? And then the mom says, khi nào con nấu xong? And then the son is surprised. Gì? Con đâu có nấu được. Okay, so here, instead of không, he say, đâu có. The second conversation is between a boyfriend and a girlfriend. They're taking a walk, and then the girlfriend is expressing that she's scared of, because they're walking near the river, it's too dangerous. And then, they see a dog and she's scared of the dog. And then finally they take another turn, and then she's scared of because it's too dark. So then the boyfriend says,
Sợ tối luôn hả? Hơi, cái gì cũng sợ.
Đâu có. Em đâu có sợ con nhện đó đâu.
Con nhện nào?
Con nhện trên đầu anh đó.
Hả? À!
Sợ tối luôn hả? Cái gì cũng sợ. And then the girlfriend says, đâu có. Em đâu có sợ con nhện đó đâu. And then the boy says, con nhện nào? And the girl says, con nhện trên đầu anh đó. And then the boy is like, ah! Right? Okay, so she says, đâu có. No, em đâu có sợ con nhện đó đâu. I'm not scared of that spider, right? So here, when she says no, and I'm not scared of that spider, she used đâu có instead of không, right? The last conversation is between a restaurant waiter and a customer. So she's been waiting. She ordered and's been waiting, but her food hasn't come yet. So she's expressing her frustration, right? And then finally, when her food and drink come, it's just the wrong ones.
Ông bà ơi, em đâu có gọi gỏi xoài. Em gọi gỏi đu đủ mà. Còn nước của em đâu?
Đây nè. 3 nước ép thơm.
3 ly. Ủa, anh có thấy mấy người ngồi ở đây không?
Anh tưởng em có bạn.
Em đâu có bạn đâu.
Phải rồi. Thái độ vậy mà.
So she says, ông bà ơi, em đâu có gọi gỏi xoài. Em gọi gỏi đu đủ mà. Còn nước của em đâu? The waiter says, đây nè, 3 nước ép thơm. And then the customer is angry. 3 ly? Ủa, anh có thấy mấy người ngồi ở đây không? And the waiter says, anh tưởng em có bạn. And then the customer says, em đâu có bạn đâu. And then the waiter says, phải rồi, thái độ vậy mà. So in this short conversation, she uses đâu có twice. One is when she say, I didn't order mango salad. Em đâu có gọi gỏi xoài. And the second time when she say, what? I don't have any friends with me. Em đâu có bạn đâu. Right. So, đâu có. So, can you guess what the pattern is? When do we use đâu có instead of không? I'll come back with the answer in 20 seconds. Visit learnvietnamesewithannie.com for our premium content. Over 350 audio and video lessons with more added every week. Each lesson consists of an entertaining dialogue accompanied with a wealth of learning materials. Check out our free sample lessons via the link below. Here's the answer. We say đâu có or đâu phải when we protest or deny. Let's go through all the examples again. The first son says, miss what? I don't miss Dad. I just want my dinner. Con đâu có nhớ ba. Because the mom supposed that he's missing his dad. That's why he's upset, right? And then in the second example, the landlord say, no. It's not rainy season now. Mùa này đâu phải mùa mưa. Because the girl was saying, it's rainy season, but it's so hot, right? And then in the third example, the son says, what? I can't cook. Because his mom just said, we can have dinner once you finish cooking. And then the fourth example, the girlfriend say, I'm not scared. At least I'm not scared of that spider. Đâu có, em đâu có sợ con nhện đó đâu. Because the boy was saying, oh, you're scared of everything, right? And then in the last example, the customer was saying, I didn't order mango salad, right? Because the waiter came with a mango salad, but he's supposed to bring her a papaya salad, right? And then finally she says, I don't have any friends with me. What's wrong with you? Because he was bringing her to pineapple juice, right? So she was like, what? I didn't order two because I'm alone. I don't have any friends. So you can see all the lines with đâu có is to protest and to deny, to refuse what was said in the previous line. So basically, if I'm talking about myself, saying, oh, I'm pretty lame, I can't cook, em không biết nấu ăn, then không can be used. But then if someone say, hey, Annie, can we come over to yours this weekend? I heard you cook very well, right? I will be like, huh? Em đâu có biết nấu ăn? Yeah, because I'm protesting. I'm denying what they just said, right? So, yeah, that's it for today. I hope the lesson is helpful and hẹn gặp lại lần sau.